To simulate NAR gate, we need to draw the NAR test circuit. And to draw the NAR test circuit, we have drawn the symbol from drawing the schematic of the NAR. If we want to see the schematic, just descend edit. In a new tab, we can see the schematic of this NAR symbol. This is set for 4x condition. Then after this, in this, the inputs are set as pins here. That has to be given appropriate value in the simulation window. Execute launch ADEL to open ADE window. Then the first thing is I need to give the input for A and B. That is to be done under setup stimuli. There are two stimulus, A and B. Initially both of them will be off. Then I need to give the appropriate values for both. I'll select A first. Logic 1 is 1.8. Logic 0 is 0. Then after that, rise time is 1 nanosecond, fall time is 1 nano, and period is 10 nano. Then the pattern for A is 0 1 0 0 0 1. Then enable this A and apply this. Then now it is turned on. For B, it is again logic 1 is 1.8, logic 0 is 0 volts, rise time is 1 nano, fall time is 1 nano, period is 10 nano. Then the pattern is 000 101. Then enable this and apply. Say okay. Now both the inputs are applied. Then the simulation can be done for functional verification, that is the transient analysis. Choose transient analysis. As I have given 6 bits, each bit will be of 10 nanosecond. To observe that minimum 60 nanosecond is required, I am going to set 100 nano as the stop time. Moderate accuracy, say OK. After this, outputs to be plotted, select on the design. I am going to select both A, B, then output. Press escape, come back to the ADE window, then run simulation. You are going to observe the inputs followed by output if I demerge the waveform. Now your waveform looks like this. I am going to change the background here to white so that waveforms are clearly visible. Now I am going to see this is the output, these are the inputs. I'll just change the properties of the output waveform so that they look clear. Instead of dotted line, I am making it as solid. Now all the 3 waveforms look like this. I need to compute the delay. This is 0 0. This is corresponding output is 1 for NAR gate. For 0 0 pattern, if I select A as the signal 1, to get into 0, A has to fall, and output is 1, output is rising. Therefore, go to the calculator. In the calculator, I need to choose delay function. In the delay function, there will be 2 signals, signal 1 and signal 2. Signal 1 has to be input. I am going to choose A. Then signal 2 I will select as output. Then the threshold voltage is set at 0.9. Then how to select the edge numbers is important now. To get the pattern 0 0, just go to your waveform. This is 0 0. Corresponding output is 1. If I choose A as the input signal, then A is to come to 0 0, A is falling. And under falling, this is the first edge. And to go to 1, output is rising. Under rising, it is the first edge. Therefore, here edge number should be 1 for input and it is falling. Edge number should be 1 for output and it is rising. Then apply this setting. You are going to get the delay for the first condition 0 0. It is around 109. picoseconds. Then 0, 1 is the next one. Combination 0, 1. A is 0, B 1. For that, if you observe here, 0, 1 is this 0, 1. Hence, there is no transition on A, only B is changing. Therefore, in your calculator, signal 1, I am changing it to B. If I click on this, it will be, I am going to calculate the delay between B and Y. Again here 0, 1 pattern if I observe, B is rising and output is falling. Under falling, this is the first falling, this is the second falling. Therefore, output should be set as second edge number is 2 and it is falling. Whereas input is rising and under rising it is first one. Therefore, here edge number is 1 and input is rising. And here edge number is 2 and it is falling. Then apply, clear the previous one, apply the new one and evaluate. It gives you 314 picoseconds. That is for 0, 1. Next I need to compute the delay for 1, 0. If you observe 1, 0, this is 1, 0. A is transiting. Therefore, again in your calculator, instead of B, I need to take A again as the input. Therefore, select from here A. If I select A, from your waveform you can observe 0, 1. This is 0, 1 pattern. A is rising, edge number 1 rising, output is falling. That is first falling edge. Therefore, here input is rising, first edge, and output is falling, first falling. Then apply this new setting after deleting the previous one and evaluate the delay. By clicking on the evaluate button, it is going to show the delay 404 picoseconds. Then coming to the next one, the last one, that is 1, 1. 1, 1 you can see this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. For getting this 1, 1, A is rising and under rising, this is the second rising. This is first one, this is second one. Therefore, type is rising and edge count is 2. Whereas output is falling here and under falling 1, 2, 3. This is the third falling. Hence here you have to set edge number is 2 and it has to rise, and here it is edge number 3, it is falling. Apply this new setting and evaluate the delay. You are going to get the delay which is 188 picoseconds. This is how you can do the delay calculations for NOR gate, and I have shown for 4x. Similarly, you can do it for 2x and 1x just by changing the transistor dimensions here. Instead of 20.4, it will be 10.2 for 2x and 5.1 for 1x. Instead of 1.7, it is 850 for 2x, 850 nanosecond and 425 nanosecond for 1x. That's the only changes you need to do and perform the simulation.